quietest I've ever seen the bivouac. It's rest day, it's 7 a.m. I had to go up and make it to the toilet rather quickly, but the whole bivouac is asleep. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm just wandering back to my tent. I'm going to try and go back to sleep for a little, till the sun rises at least. But there's no V8s running around or anything. I'm guessing all you can hear is the wind. I slept really well, by the way. Like, really, really well. Like a baby. I wake up once or twice, that's it. So, amazing night's sleep. Get back in the tent. Hours sleep. I don't even remember the last time I was in bed for 13 hours. That was phenomenal. I feel like a new human. I did work out though that unless I laid with my arms completely straight, they would completely shut down the pins and needles, like the slightest kink in my elbow and I'd pins and needles all the way through my arms. I guess it's something to do with like the muscle tension and stuff. So Anika's gonna give me a little muscle rub once I've had some breakfast. We are in Dakhla, so it's very windy, which makes sense considering this is somewhere that everyone comes to go kite surfing. Big Buddy is going to get a full service today and we're going to soften his suspension a little bit more. Keri and Joe are currently out in Sid, filling them up with fuel and getting some more fuel for the generator. And things are good, basically. I've taken all my hopes and potions that I am taking to keep my body going. So Active Sports Collagen, magnesium zinc tablets, Arnica tablets, and then lots of Germaline on my hands. I've done 5 days riding, we're halfway, and my hands are looking perfect. So that's a really good sign of my body position being good. The strength I built in my hands pre-race going well. So that's really good. I do still anticipate losing the skin on my hands by the end of the race, but I'm halfway. Absolutely incredible. I think I'm going to be a little bit quieter today. It's rest day, so this is literally about just trying to recover, relax and rejuvenate some energy and some muscles to go back into day 7 tomorrow. Right there.
Hi Vanessa. What are you doing today on your rest day?
I am chilling out. I slept for 13 hours last night. I don't remember the last time I slept for 13 hours. It was amazing. And now I'm having my breakfast in the beautiful sunshine. I got a cup of tea. That was good timing. I got a cup of tea. And I'm planning just to relax and do nothing. I'm going to do some stretches. The girls are going to give my muscles a bit of a rub to try and help them get some lactic acid out. But I'm feeling really strong. I did a lot of preparations for this race fitness-wise, and so far, I know I've still got 7 more days, but I'm feeling confident. I'm gonna make it to the finish.
Do you actually know what your mechanics have to do today?
Bike's running perfectly, so I'm on the KTM Rally Replica 450, the dream bike for this kind of event, and he hasn't faulted me at all. We're going to soften my suspension slightly more because I still feel like I'm getting kicked a little bit more than I should be by the rocks, which is taking energy. I think we're going to put some new mousses in, fresh tyres, oil change, air filter, oil filters, give him a tighten up with bolts and everything, just give him a good once over. But he's running beautifully. He's just absolutely amazing.
Are you switching over from Morocco to Mauritania already, thinking about it?
Maybe I should be. No, every day I'll get up and take the day as it comes, and I'm expecting more sand, softer sand. I've ridden in Tunisia, which has some really horrible soft sand, so I'm just hoping that the training I did there will give me the skill I need to try and get through Mauritania.
Scared about it?
Yeah, but you just gotta try not to overthink it, because I think the more you worry, the worse and harder it gets, that it just escalates in your mind. I've just got to get on the bike and do my best. So this is what the bivouac looks like, with a dirty Vanessa who doesn't want to be dirty anymore. Laundry day, and a noisy Joe working away. I'm gonna get close up of that concentration face. A massive advantage of having team the girl on a bike, i.e. Sid, is that on rest day we have wheels, 4 of them. So Keri is driving, it's a little bit bumpy, and we are going to the opposite side of the peninsula in Dakhla, where there is a beach area that is a little bit more suitable for going in, and we're going to get my body in the cold ocean, so I think it's going to be very good for my muscles. So Anika's in the back.
Yo!
And looking out front, there is the sea! We must be pretty close now, and I'm really hoping it gives my body a little bit of soothing, particularly the bit on my right body lower down above my knee, below my waist, that tends to hurt a little bit more than other parts. Let's see. Straight on where I stopped on the bike. I will get out of the car and see if we can get down there. Because over there it looks like you could. So we might be able to here. We are getting out of the car. Ow. Ow.
You're on. Is that cold, Vanessa? And I have decided to stand on the shore and be the lifeguards for this one. It is rest day, and the water here is quite cold in the Atlantic Ocean. Are they dolphins or seals? Or is it rubbish? I think it's rubbish. Never mind. False alarm. Can you see them? Straight out there. You probably can't see on the camera. It's just rubbish. Okay, anyway. So we're being good lifeguards.
Oh, she's doing her exercises.
So she's doing, what is it, yoga, water yoga? In the freezing cold water. It is really, really good for her muscles. But yeah, they're shore jumpers if you can't tell. Oh, Keri thinks it's cold. Anyway, rest day, as long as you're smiling, having fun, that's what all that matters. So. Cold there, lovely?
But that felt good on the muscles. It was just really strong rip, so it's actually a little bit sketchy because it was just sucking my legs out. It's called an undertow. Good old Aussie. Yep.
Hearing it straight to the lifeguard's mouth.
Like, I'd swim, but I'm too scared of just the pull.
Work that hair, baby. Yeah. Love it.
Mr. Joe, or Josephine as we're calling him because it's a girls' team with Joe, Josephine,
I hadn't picked up on that.
is looking after.
Medium-sized buddy.
He's big, buddy, he's huge. What have you just been doing?
I've been doing lots of things. It's rest day, so it's my busiest day on the rally. Over there, we've done everything from oil and filter changing to valve clearances to clutch and brake fluids, to engine strains, to coolant change, to lots and lots of bits.
Cool.
So
Lots
yeah,
of
all
bits.
ready for the next 6 days, and all that's left to do really is put new tyres and mousses. Another set of
Another
Michelin
set.
tyres and mousses.
Sweet, some new rubber. Amazing. Cool. This is what you used? Racing brake fluid. This is because when you are racing, your brake fluid has to go faster. I'm going to go to the tent and have a nap.
Is that true?
I swear my hand used to fit in a Pringle tub.
Did he steal your bike?
He just drove past us. Is he lost in the bivouac?
Probably. So the theory with this, your hand probably used to fit in it because the things got smaller, but then the chips even got smaller in it too.
But as my hand, it's not that my hand, actually my hand is bigger, look how puffed up it is. I think it's a combination of everything. I hear him. There he is.
The man of the hour.
Look at this sexy dude, hey?
Yeah, oh he's all clean.
That's it, that's where I've been.
He's had a bath.
So the far, thin, medium-sized belly.
And Joe wearing a medium-sized
Yeah,
helmet.
very small size helmet. I think this is it now, this has got to stay on.
They have both had a bath on rest day, looking sexy. I'm not sure if Joe's had a bath though. Has Joe had a bath? I'm saying those two look sexy. Keri looks sexy, look at her. You look good in that shirt.
Hey, if you got it, flaunt it.
Joe, go have a bath.
Okay.
She said you stick to it.
Well, I probably do, yeah. I've been working all day, unlike some, you know.
Well, I've been riding all week to make work for you.
You've been doing very good,
Wait, let me.
Okay, do your hair. You look great. Let's go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
What day is this?
7.
Woohoo!
It's a little one today.
I'm so
Ici, on autorise les motos et les SSV qui le souhaitent de charger leur véhicule sur une remorque.
It's really cold and windy outside, and because we've got a 6:45 departure, the crew are packing up the bivouac, so I'm sat in Sid with all of the roadbook amends and my roadbook in the calm, cozy warmth of the car. It's properly windy out there. There you can see Keri's putting the tent down. What sucks though is that I've just finished all of the amends, which means I've got to go back out there and put it on my bike. Thank goodness I bought my Motomac. I probably won't need it. It's Africa, it's going to be warm. It is really cold at night, and I've used it every night for 6 days now. It was well worth buying, and I'm going to use it so much in the UK, so it's probably worth it. They're a British company, Motomac, but it's like windproof tent of fleecy lininess. Okay, I'm gonna brave the cold.
I said to the girls, I said, look, can you get a few extra sauces for the fridge, like the sandwiches and stuff? And now can you stop McDonald's?
Look at all this. He needs a hand to carry all these sauces. Is that my water? No, oh well, either one. Did you have any?
No, that's mine.
He's up, Turbo.
Does anyone eat this, please?
I like them ones, yeah.
I can't carry all this. Oh,
Put it in a kangaroo
kangaroo pouch.
In Australia.
These kids are trouble.
Come on. it's right in my nice
Take 9.
Cheers. Yeah. Woo. Cheers.